6 AI updates, and one of them is scary. Claude, an AI model, broke into 3 real companies, and two of them didn't even know if happened. So let's go one by one. No fluff, just real AI updates. So update number one: OpenAI just cut its prices big time. OpenAI has 3 models in the GPT 5.6 family. Soul is the most powerful one. Terra is middle one, and Luna is the fastest and cheapest one. Now Luna's price is down by 80%. Terra's price is down by 20%, and Soul stays the same. But it gets a new fast mode for people who want more speed. Why is OpenAI doing this? Because the companies is hitting up. Chinese AI models are much cheaper, and companies are asking one question again and again: is this AI worth the money? So OpenAI answered with a price cut. And here's the important part for you. This is also changes how usage is counted in codex in ChatGPT work plans. That means your same monthly plan will now go further. You get more work done for the same price. If you use ChatGPT for work, this is good news for your wallet. Okay, update number two: LinkedIn is fighting back against AI slop. You know that enhance your post button on LinkedIn, the one that used AI rewrite your post, it is gone now. LinkedIn removed it completely. Why? Because AI detection company Pengram found that more than 40% of long LinkedIn posts are fully AI written. LinkedIn's own tool was creating that problem, right? Uh, in its place, LinkedIn added a simple proofreading tool. Uh, it only fixes grammars and spelling. It does not change your voice, right? And there is more. LinkedIn added a new report button. It called seems like AI slop. Any user can click it on any post. If you enough people flag your post, it gets less reach. Also, LinkedIn will now privately tells you in your own analytics if readers think your post looks AI written, right? So the message is clear: if you create content on LinkedIn, write like a human. Use AI to help you, not replace you. Okay. Okay, update number three. And this one is a big deal. Anthropic, the company behind Claude, ran a self check. They reviewed over 141,000 old test runs. These were cybersecurity tests where Claude practices hacking inside a safe and closed system. But they found 3 cases where the system was not closed. Claude was told, this is just a frictional company, right? Go back in and find the secret. But by mistake, the test machine had real internet access. So Claude went out, and it actually broke into 3 real companies. Two of those companies did not notice anything at all until Anthropic contacted them. This happened because a security testing partner made a setup mistake, not because Claude went rogue on its own, but it shows something very important. AI gets better at coding and hacking. One small mistake in setup can cause a real world problem. Okay, Anthropic has stopped these tests for now, and they are fixing the process. Okay. Okay, update number four. Uh, this one is for you if you want to learn something. There is a free courses on online. that teaches you how to build AI agents from scratch. It started from basics. What is AI agents and how does it think? How does it use tools? Uh, then it takes you a step-by-step process until you build and deploy your own app. And the final project is a trip planner, AI agent that can plan a full trip for you. If you're student or freelancer, if you want to learn agentic AI, a course like this is a great place to start. So I will put it link in the description below if you want to explore more spaces, right? Okay, update number 5. This one is strange, very interesting. Researchers studied that over 5 lakhs real ChatGPT conversation, and they found something surprising. One out of every three conversation was about fiction, story, role play, fan fiction, and more. But here is the twist: just 2% of users created more than 80% of all that fiction content. A very small group of power users are generating most of the stories, and one single user stood out the most, right? This person asked ChatGPT to write thousands of stories again and again with just small changes each time. Researchers gave this pattern a name: infinite uh, infinite story demanders. People who keep asking AI for one more version, and forever, right? So it shows something about human behavior, not just AI. Some people are not using AI to work. They are using to escape into endless stories, right? Okay, update number 6, and the last story of the day. This is more of a lesson than a news update, right? A chief AI officer once watched two analysts do the same exact assignment. Both of them use AI to help with the work. On the surface, both reports looked equally good. But then came the question. One analytics could explain every number, every choice, every reason behind the report. The other analytics could not, because that person only copied what the AI gave them without understanding it. So only one of them survived the questions, and that is a real lesson for all of us, that AI can help you do the task faster, but it cannot do uh, your thinking for you, right? If you cannot explain your own work, you have to outsource too much, right? Okay, so that is your today AI updates, and if we summarize this video. So OpenAI is cutting prices, LinkedIn is fighting AI slop, Claude is accidentally hacked real companies. There are free courses to build your own AI agent. Millions of chats are secretly full fiction, and the real skill in this AI era is still thinking yourself, right? So if you found this video useful or helpful or valuable, hit that like button, subscribe this channel, and we will post daily AI updates on this channel, and we will meet you in the next video. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you.